Hey, there is a way to score free legal services through me, but you're going to have to join my email list to find out how. Hey everybody, my name is Marcella Dominguez. I'm Trademark Lawyer here on YouTube, helping you with your online and offline business needs. I'm going to tell you why I didn't start an email list, but why I want you to score free legal services through me and what it's going to take to do so. So do you have an infinite number of business emails in your inbox that sometimes you just don't check because sometimes they seem the same as yesterday, and really what different information could they provide that would make you want to open it? I sometimes feel that way about newsletters and about other junk that I sign up for that ends up in my inbox. Honestly, most of the time I may open my email from a product-based business maybe once every 2 weeks because I feel like, is there anything that I could possibly be gaining from this email, or would it be a waste of time? And that is just one of my productivity hacks. If I'm not going to buy anything from that store right now, then I am not going to open that email. But I thought to myself, what if this was a family member who was sending me an email every single day? Would I then open it? Because now I'm a little bit more sensitive to a family member, right? I'm not as sensitive to a department store, but I am more sensitive to somebody that I know and somebody that I care about. And I thought, well, yes, but if I knew that the content of their email was just based on a hello or on just wanting to catch up every single day, then I might open it maybe every other day. So then I thought, okay,
how can I make my clients more sensitive to my emails?
Perhaps not sending an email every single day. What if I sent an email maybe twice a week? And twice a week, I am actually providing good information that is relevant to you. You see, nobody ever wants to visit a lawyer. Nobody wants to talk to a lawyer unless they need the lawyer. Very few people want to invest time into building a friendship or a relationship with the lawyer so that they can have one in their back pocket that is accessible when they need one. So in other words, people would prefer to cold call a lawyer when they need one rather than build or establish a relationship with one. And that's understandable. That's totally fine. I feel that way about certain professions also. So then I thought, well, let's establish a relationship, you the viewer and me the lawyer. How can we be friends? I like to be friends with business owners. If we have more in common than just business, we are likely to stay in touch, perhaps text each other, and exchange services or products, or buy services and products from each other when we need each other. Right? But the difference is that I'm continuing to maintain a relationship with you because I actually enjoy talking to you. So my plan is to establish a relationship with you, the viewer. And if you're not interested in hearing from me, if you don't want to hear about my personal life, or you don't want to hear what's going on in business and talk to me on a friend-to-friend basis, then don't worry about it. You don't have to subscribe. But the incentive for those of you that do want to get to know me a little bit better, I am going to be offering something really special. But how are you going to find out what that something really special is unless you subscribe? So not only do you get to know me a little bit better and what I can do for you in the long term, and not just trademark related, but perhaps advice in maybe making sure that your life affairs are in order, or if you have a friend abroad who wants to immigrate to the United States, or perhaps you have other business ideas in the works and you just want to know how you're going to get free legal services through me, then now is your chance. Make sure to sign up to stay in touch with me through my newsletter, which you can find in the link below. So click on that link so that we can stay in touch. So I want you to please tell me in the comments below, is there a store that you really, really like that when you get their emails, you open them? It doesn't matter to you if you're in the market to buy something that they're selling, but you'll open it anyway just because you're curious. What business is that whose email you're opening? Tell me in the comments below because I want to know who's doing a really good job out there. Who's your favorite brand? Whose emails will you open every single day? And do you have a newsletter of your own if you're a business owner? And how often do you email your customers? Do you email your customers with a sale every single day? Do you ever communicate about something that doesn't have to do with your business? I want to know your best advice because you never know who is watching down below. It's good to pass on the knowledge about what works and what doesn't work. And I do believe that in business, the more you share about what works and what is helpful to someone, will eventually circle back around to you. So tell me in the comments below what you think and let me know whether you will be subscribing to my newsletters.
So if you know you want to receive good deals and establish a friendship and sign up for my emails, make sure you scroll down into the description below and sign up for my emails. It's that easy.